Hey team, Spencer here for Nolathane. So if you've just lifted your four-wheel drive and you've just fitted your lift kit, you're keen to hit the tracks, the question is, have you actually done everything you need to do? Have you fitted all of these goodies? These are the lift accessories that are essential to keep your vehicle safe and on the road when you want it and off the road when you want it. Even if you're not a technician, you don't need a hoist to see that when you fit that lift kit, all the suspension angles are out and your geometry is much easier to fix with Nolathane solutions. If you've got independent front suspension, without a diff drop, your CVs are copping it at full extension anytime you're on the road or off the road. So if you've got a modern four-wheel drive, you need a diff drop kit. That's going to save your CV shafts and make sure that you're getting the power into the mud or into the road. As soon as you've fitted those springs and struts to lift your vehicle, you probably noticed that your wheels have now gone into positive camber. The easiest solution is to get some camber bolts. These go in the top bolt of your front strut, problem solved. Once it's lifted, have a quick look at your brake hoses and your ABS wires. Reality is they're going to be stretched that extra 2 inches you've just lifted. So you need extended brackets. These are designed to be a bolt-on solution so that you can do them at home or in the workshop in just minutes. Just like those ABS wires, when you lift your suspension, your headlight aiming bracket, they're also going to be stretched by the same amount that you've lifted your suspension. So make sure you get yourself the bolt-on bracket. Simple solution, easy as. Also for us good kids who are keeping our sway bars on our four-wheel drives, you're going to notice that that sway bar link is now shorter by the same amount you have lifted by. So you can get pre-extended sway bar links, or you can get adjustable sway bar links so that you can dial them in so that they're working the way they should when you're on the road and they're giving you extra clearance when you're off the road. Whether you're fitting lifts all day or getting your own rig done at home, Nolathane solutions are simple bolt-on solutions to make sure you get the job done right the first time.